All right, in this video, I'm going to take just a few seconds to cover what is included in a Real Estate Photographer Pro marketing kit. And this is just some of the items, not all of the items. So part of what we produce in a Real Estate Photographer Pro marketing kit are all the social media posts that you would need, and they're pre-made. So these are examples of the social media reels. So you have these graphic with motion. You download the post, and then you can upload that to your favorite social media website. There are about 80 of these that are pre-made when your marketing kit is delivered, but they can also be edited. So if you see something you would like to add or take out of the graphic, you can log into the editing section right here and change it. It's real simple. If you've ever edited a Word document, it's that simple. I'm just going to go down this page and show you some examples of the post. I have more reels here. Get an idea. It takes you through the complete sales cycle: just sold, showing, just listed, just sold. So you've got everything you need. Then we have stories and posts right here. More examples. So these are static graphics. Again, you just download here. That'll download. You click download, and that'll download to your computer. Then you can post it to your social media. And there's about a total of 80 different marketing templates that are ready to go right here. But all of these can be edited. And then if for some reason we roll into another season, like we just went through Thanksgiving, Christmas, and now the New Year, all of these graphics will automatically be replaced inside the system, and you can come back to this. Let's say if you were listing a house back during the Thanksgiving, Halloween, you would have had Halloween graphics and Thanksgiving graphics here to kind of complement that season. And then if the home was still listed and you were marketing during Christmas, you would have had the opportunity to have Christmas themes here. So when we roll into the new seasons, the graphics will update, and then you can come back and update the graphics and have new marketing content. Let me go down. There are some more static. There are landscape posts here. Square post here. And you click in all these sections right here, you click this small arrow. So you see 3 here. You click that arrow right there, and you have more pre-made posts that are ready to go. Here's a Pinterest post. If you have a Pinterest page, which we encourage you to have a business Instagram, a business Facebook, a Pinterest page, and a YouTube channel. Those are the main channels, and those are the channels that are searchable when people are searching for an address or for a neighborhood, for a property. And videos like this, would be great to post on your YouTube channel. If you need help setting up a YouTube channel, let us know and we can help you set up that YouTube channel. So you have different shapes, different sizes, different posts, and then you have everything branded and unbranded. So if you're needing it without your logos, it's already here. If you want it with your logos and branding, it's already here. So that's just one small part of what is included in a marketing kit, is all of your pre-made social media marketing content. Thank you. This is Kenneth with Real Estate Photographer Pro.